war of words that's going on between the two, Manikim Tagore has also waded in. So Manikim Tagore has now responded, and he says that the finance minister seems to like the Prime Minister's charcha with the Kapoors, but seems to have a problem with Rahul Gandhi raising some key issues. That's a charge that has come in. He has also, of course, quote-tweeted the video of Prime Minister Modi's interaction with the Kapoor. So Manikim Tagore going on to say that the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman likes the chat of the Prime Minister with a cinema family, but has a problem when the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, engages in a conversation with the banks. There is a problem. That's a charge that has come in from Manikim Tagore. Rishabh continues to stay live with us. Rishabh, take us through the entire controversy that's brewing, the charge that has been leveled by Rahul Gandhi and the response.
Well, Pratibha, yesterday Rahul Gandhi met the Employees Confederation of Public Sector Bank, and after that meeting, in a series of tweets, he attacked the government, saying that the Public Sector Bank has become an ATM for the quote-unquote fraudulent friends of the government, in a way very clearly hitting out to Adani and likes of him, which Congress Party have been accusing that the government is favoring. As of now, there hasn't been much of substance except a few indictments that the government of India's sources, or for that matter BJP sources, say are nothing but a hit job against Indian prosperity. Apart from that, the way Rahul Gandhi pointed out that how the public sector banks are more into profit and less into public welfare, and how since 2014 the recruitment in public sector bank is not transparent. To all of that, Nirmala Sitharaman actually countered, saying that Rahul Gandhi is in habit of making such allegations without much of proof. Also went on to say that the PSBs, the public sector banks, are in a way profiting, which gives profit to the stakeholders, who are none other than the public in this country. Apart from that, Nirmala Sitharaman also went on to say that Rahul Gandhi has a problem with a cleaner, easier for people banking setup that the changes that the government has brought in since 2014 has created an ecosystem where it's more cleaner banking for the people in India. So the counter to each other, the war of votes between Congress and BJP begins. Manikim Tagore had just waded in. We heard it there as well. So definitely the war of votes continue, and this gives a clear picture that how the rest of the 6 sittings of
Absolutely,
Parliament.
and this is what we're expecting time and again. Rishabh, do stay on with us. We have more breaking up.